Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 42nd tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have just covered the basics of Power BI services. And we have learned that how we publish our report into Power BI services. And we have also talked about Workspace and My Workspace. So guys, in today's class, we will study more detail about Workspace in Power BI services. So let's go to the Power BI services. So let's first understand what is Workspace. In simple word guys, Workspace is a place where we can collaborate the dataset, report, dashboard with their colleagues. So this is the My Workspace guys where we can see the datasets and report. You guys can see here. So we guys can publish multiple reports and datasets under My Workspace. And if I go here in Workspace, so from here guys, you can create own My Workspace. You can see the option here. So let's take an example. I will create one workspace here. So simply I go here and click on create workspace. So here guys, I will simply enter my name, which is Shubham. And this description box is optional guys. So you can write anything here or you can skip as well. And once you created this workspace guys, so you need to click on this save button. So let me click on this save button guys. So we can see here our new workspace is created and it is displaying here. You can see my name here, Shubham, and you can also see my name here. And if I go to my Power BI desktop and if I click on publish here, so we can also see here workspace name which we have created in Power BI services. So you guys can directly publish this report into this new workspace. And if you want to delete these workspace, so let me go to the Power BI services. So guys, you need to go simply on workspace and click on expand button. And once you click it, you can see all the workspace are available here. So let's say I want to delete this Shubham workspace. So I will go here in three dots and click on more. So once you click it, you can see these two options are available here, which is workspace setting and workspace access. So you need to click on workspace setting. And once you click it, you can see the delete option is available here. Or either you can delete workspace from here. So you need to simply click on this delete workspace and after that your workspace will be deleted. So guys, you can see it is asking the question, you want to delete this workspace. So yes guys, we want to delete this. So let me click on delete button. So see guys, workspace has deleted from here. So in this way guys, we can add or delete multiple workspace in Power BI services. So this is a one important feature of Power BI services, where we can add or remove the multiple workspaces. Now guys, we will cover one more important topic of our Power BI services, which is workspace roles. So the first one is admin, the second is member, the third is contributor, and the last is viewer. So guys, we will study detail about these roles. So before studying this concept in detail, I will show you guys where we can see these all roles in Power BI services. So you need to go here on workspace. And these are the organizational workspace guys. So let me click here. So guys, we can see here is the option of access. And under access, we have four kinds of roles. So let me click here on this button. So under access tab, here we can see all four kinds of role: admin, member, contributor, and viewer. So firstly, we will talk about admin role. So guys, this is a person who can add or remove the users, including other admins. So admin can do all such function in workspace. They can create a workspace, they can edit a workspace, and they can also delete the workspace, which we have recently seen. So admin can perform all such functions. Now comes to the viewer part. So I will understand what is viewer. Let's suppose guys, this is the report and I want to share with one of my colleague and I want to assign a specific role. I don't want they can perform all such function in our workspace. So I want they can only see the report in Workspace and can't touch anything with the report. So I will make assign viewer role to them so that they can only view my report, they can interact with the report, but can't make any editing, delete, or any other changes in our workspace. So viewer can only see the report, not able to perform any such function like a admin. Now guys comes to the third role of workspace, which is member. Suppose I have assigned the member role to them. So what thing he can do under workspace? So member can create apps. I will tell you about what are apps in the next class. So just for now only you need to understand what role member can play. So you can see this access option is available here. And for the member, member can also access all the data sets and report. These all things member can do, but they can't have permission to delete workspace. They cannot add or remove the users. Now move toward the last role, which is contributor. So guys, contributor can create the workspace, edit, copy and delete the item in a workspace. But they can't add or remove the users. So now firstly we will talk about this create app difference. Contributor does not have any permission to create app. If person has assigned contributor role, they can't able to see this create app button. So this is the one difference guys between member and contributor. And now comes to the second difference, which is access button. So guys, this access option is available for member only. If person is a contributor, they can't able to see this access option because the person is contributor. So we have covered two differences guys. The first about is create app and the second is access. Member can see both the options but contributor can't able to see the access button and the create app. And the last thing guys, they can create, edit, copy and delete items in a workspace. So guys, I hope you are clear with the difference of workspace roles. So you guys can make note of it under this video. So guys, please stay tuned with us for more learning about Power BI. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe and share in your network. And the last thing guys, if anyone wants paid interview preparation scenario based training and full course Power BI training, connect me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn link is given under the description box. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.